Hello learners, welcome to Sure Question Academy. Please watch the videos, like and subscribe to the channel.
Hello. Let's examine a very important conceptual question about magnetic fields. Part 1 asks, two magnetic field lines do not intersect each other. Why? Let's look at the answer for part 1. Magnetic field lines never intersect. If they did, it would mean that at the point of intersection, the magnetic field has two different directions. Imagine placing a small compass needle exactly at that intersection point. The needle would have to point in two different directions at the exact same time. Since a compass needle can only point in one specific direction, this situation is completely impossible. Therefore, field lines never cross. Now, let's read part 2. How is a uniform magnetic field in a given region represented? Draw a diagram in support of your answer. How do we properly represent a uniform magnetic field? It is perfectly represented by drawing parallel, equidistant straight lines. These parallel lines clearly indicate that the magnetic field has the exact same direction at every single point in that region. Let's look at a simple diagram to illustrate this. Inside the gap between the North Pole on the left and the South Pole on the right, we draw perfectly straight, parallel lines. In this diagram, the arrows indicate the constant direction of the magnetic field. Furthermore, the equal spacing between these lines visually confirms that the field strength is perfectly constant. And that's how you write a perfect, exam-ready answer. Thank you for watching and happy learning.